Hi folks, how are you? I hope nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Umuulan today, makulimlim, but anyway, my name is Rosano and I'm here to explain to you NanoCell's Leverage Business Program or module or activity. Right? You might be watching this video just because na-share sa inyo yung link by myself or ni Edna or by any one of our distributors in our group. Likewise, makakilala na namin kayo. You might be, chances are, resellers na kayo ngayon and you're now starting to enjoy yung retail profit which is 25%, di ba? Because as members, you're entitled to 25% margin. So, ang second activity kasi natin, ang 50% or the second half of our business is leverage business. Pag tayo nag-uumpisa sa ganitong klaseng hanap buhay, ang una nating activity, retail, di ba? Kaya nga nag-register kayo as reseller. Nag-share na kayo ng product sa mga family nyo, sa friends, and unti-unti, dumadami na yung suki nyo or yung preferred customer nyo. Ganon din po kasi ang nangyari sa amin when we started this business. Una, nagre-retail kami. Every day, ang activities namin retail. We do presentations, nag-share kami ng benefits of the product, and then we create customers. So every day, it's actually an activity kasi yan po yung ating bread and butter, di ba? Pag walang benta, wala tayong sales. Pag walang sales, wala tayong margin. Now, once natikman nyo na yung retail profit, then you would think about expansion. Okay? And leverage is a way to expand. Actually, let me just explain briefly. Ang leverage is being practiced by all industries dito sa ating bansa and globally. Leverage means what? They put up branches all over across the global market. Nag-o-offer sila ng franchises. Okay, alam naman natin yan. Marami tayong franchise business dito sa Philippines. Because ang purpose kasi ng leverage is to be more competitive. Bakit nagkaroon ng leverage? Ang business landscape kasi natin, even globally, has drastically evolved. Dumadami ang mga tao, as population increases, your market increases. As the need increases, that means you must be able to deliver your product or your service, okay, because you are now competing with your competitors. Pag hindi ka nagle-leverage, that means you're focused on one area, one barangay, and okay lang naman yan. If you're happy with retail and kontento ka na selling in one area and making retail profit, it's okay with us. Okay? Okay lang sa amin yan because diyan ka nag-enjoy. But if you want to expand, ibig sabihin, magpa-branch out ka na nationwide. In the distant future, we will have the opportunity to leverage globally kasi pupunta na tayo ng Dubai, pupunta na tayo ng Africa. So it already started, mag-umpisa na soon. So that is leverage. Meaning to say, na ma-maximize mo yung sarili mo because you are present in different areas at any given time. Ang traditional direct selling before was like Tupperwares or Avon. Okay? Retail profit lang ang kanilang source of income. But leverage came in. That means you're able to get resellers under you. You're able to invite or sponsor leverage builders under you. And over time, okay, ang products uugatin, okay, so once the products are deeply rooted, that is the start of your leverage business income. Now, bibigyan ko kayo ng overview of how the leverage income is derived dito sa ating business. Pero I'd like to warn you, I will be very brief, overview lang, because you will need a different session, a separate session from me, or from Edna, or from one of our leaders, para ma-sit down kayo and really discuss in detail how the income goes. Pero this time, sa presentation na to, I will just have to give you an overview. Okay? And the most important thing is, kailangan makuha nyo yung vision. Kailangan makuha nyo yung long-term vision. Leverage is quite different from retail in a sense. Leverage business is investment of time. Parang franchises din yan eh. Yung mga nagtatayo ng BDOs, or like BDO for example, they invest in strategic areas and over time, dumadami mga depositors, di ba? Ang daming BDO, di ba? Likewise, McDonald's or Inasal, the food chains, or the hotels, or the insurance industry, lahat ng sectors eh. Once they establish their branch, they start from zero. But over time, dumadami na yung customer kasi customers would like to have convenience. They want to go to the nearest branch to avail of the product. Dito sa atin, ganun din yung concept. You might want to have your own, network or leaders or resellers under you that are located in different areas. Leverage business is actually the same as network marketing. Hindi ko lang ginamit yung network marketing kasi masyadong basa eh. And why did it happen? That will be discussed in a different segment. But leverage business is actually network marketing. So, pag ma-appreciate niyo yung beauty of network marketing or the concept of leverage business, and you're willing to spend, time para mapalago niyo yung business niyo, like any other business, I'm telling you, ang income niyo sa leverage business will be significant while you're earning your retail income, which is also significant because you're earning 25%. Okay, so let me start. I'm assuming you're already resellers. I'm assuming already chose your package. I'm assuming nagsasell na kayo. And I'm assuming you're starting to feel the 25% profit. Diba? So makikita nyo sa arrow ko sa right side. Okay? Nandiyan dyan yung SRPs those are your entry package registration fees. Sa baba niya is the member's price. Yan po yung magiging price niyo on your second purchase. And the difference of that is your outright income. Ibig sabihin po, if you sponsor or invite your friend or your customer to join your business and pumili sila any of these entry packages, including the Elite, you will enjoy the outright income, which is located at the bottom. For example, standard, which is one bottle of berberine, ang SRP niya is 5,950, member's price is 5,500, the difference is 450. The 450 goes direct to your wallet. Ang i-remit nyo lang is 5,500. So it's very simple to understand. That goes for all the packages, including Elite. Now, sa ating leverage business, dito po darating yung system. When there is leverage business, kailangan may system. Because it's not a person that computes for your system income. It's the system, who computes for your system-generated bonuses or commissions. Parang franchise, may system. Pag nag-branch out ang mga iba-ibang negosyo, may mga sistema in place, and they just implement and follow that system, and then products or services started to move. Ganun din dito sa ating leverage. Once you're able to establish your businesses in different areas, different barangays, different cities, different provinces. Okay? Meron kang branches, meron kang operation, kumbaga. Meron kang distribution dito because you have resellers already that are starting to build. Okay? Let's say, pag meron kang reseller sa Ilocos, and yung reseller na yun, and nagle-leverage na, that means that reseller is now starting to build that group. That group is actually under you also. Yun. So, sa system natin, you will be receiving income, bonuses, commissions in different ways. Meron tayong, as discussed, outright income. Once you sponsor someone, the difference between the entry package fee and the member's price, the difference will be your outright income, diretso sa wallet mo yun or diretso sa bulsa. You'll have sponsor bonus. Once you're able to sponsor someone and decided which among these packages ang kukunin niya, then you will be entitled to a certain amount. Ganon din sa sales match bonus. Okay? Sa sales match bonus, because we're using the binary system, because we have a system, the system will start reading, okay, the packages that are enrolled on your left and on your group or on your right leg. Sa system natin, we call it binary. The binary system was designed in such a way na magkakaroon ng teamwork, okay, between you, your leaders, or your resellers, and down the line. Because the placement of the new entrants, yung mga sumasali sa inyo, dalawa lang po ang paglalagyan. Either on your left or on your right on the system. So once the network or once the number of users, registered sellers, and builders started to accumulate left and right, the system will read across your left and right, magkakaroon kayo ng sales match bonus. Okay? Now, ang sales match override bonus is this. Once your leaders or your distributors below you, your direct sponsors, yung mga in-invite nyo directly, once they start earning also from the sales match bonus entry packages, you get 5%. High five bonus, once you're able to accumulate 5 entry packages across your left and right leg, you get a certain bonus. Triple treat bonus, okay? Bonus from the third elite package of completed high five cycles. So this applies when you are on the elite package level. So I'll explain this later on. So meron kang retail profit, alam na natin yan. Uni-level, I'll explain to you by showing you a graph. Product sales match bonus and product high five bonus. Kung ang entry packages, merong sales match bonus being read by the system left and right, meron din sa product, binabangga din yan eh. Products, okay, across your left and right, the system reads it and you get a certain bonus. Ganun din sa product. Once you're able to accumulate 5 products, either on your left or on your right or across, may bonus ka rin. Ang payment kasi natin dito, dalawa. Isang weekly payout at saka isang monthly payout. So, ang ganda, di ba? Every week, based on your effort, may income ka. At the end of the month, yung ibang bonuses dito are being given monthly. Alright. I'll give you a short table. Okay? Don't crack your head on understanding this kasi it takes some time bago nyo talaga maintindihan yung amounts. But this is just an overview. Tulad nung sinabi ko kanina, meron kang sponsor bonus, okay, in peso amount, depending on which package you chose. Nakikita niyan, the left column, and on the succeeding columns, starter 1 and 2, standard, business, premium, executive, elite. Ito ngayon yung packages that your invites have chosen. Halimbawa, let's look at starter 1 and 2. Pag starter 1 and 2 ka, this is what you chose to register with us. Pag may nag-join na starter 1 and 2, you get 100. If someone joins as standard berberine, you get 250. If someone joins as business Ultimas Templas, you get 500 pesos. If someone joins as premium, okay, you get 500 pesos. Pag may nag-join ng executive, meron kang 750. Pag may nag-join na nag-elite, meron kang 1,125. Your income will increase depending on your rank. So let's take a look at elite. Okay? Pag elite ka at may nag-join na starter 1 and 2, you also get 100. Pero pag may nag-standard, berberine, you get 500. Pag may nag-business, you get 1,000. Pag may nag-premium, you get 750. If someone chooses executive under you, you get 3,000. If someone decides to get elite, you get 7,500. Galing, di ba? So, anong catch dito? The system allows you to sponsor as many as you can. Okay? Walang limit. Okay? So, every time nag-i-sponsor ka, tapos yun ay nag-sign up, automatic meron ka sponsor bonus. Kaya, you can sponsor as much as you can. Alright? So, yun sponsor bonus. Now, sa sales match bonus, this is also system generated. We have a system, as I explained. Meron lang tayong left leg and right leg. Dito ka nag-grow ngayon. Alright? So, the system will read, okay, the packages na pumapasok on your left or on your right. May mga pumapasok na sa standard, may pumapasok na starter, may pumapasok na business, may pumapasok na premium, may pumapasok na executive, may pumapasok na elite, for example. A mix of everything. But the point is, okay, once the system identifies 250 points total across your left and right leg, 250 points equals 500 pesos. So, ilang 250 can you generate at any given time? Unlimited. As long as your entry packages is continuous, as long as, your resellers are busy like you, as long as your resellers are also duplicating what you're doing, nag-invite ka, you're inviting people who are interested in the business, so they choose a certain package. So every time ganon, consistently, ang sales match bonus nyo, in terms of entry, tuloy-tuloy yun. So going back, ito yung makukuha nyo. Okay, no, I'm sorry. Ito yung makukuha nyo sa sales match bonus. Kasi, depending on your rank, and depending on which package, okay, that was chosen by your invite, ito yung makukuha nyo. Let's take a look at elite. Kung elite ka, alright, at starter 1 and 2, you get 100. Okay. Okay. Pagka standard, you get 500. Okay. Pagka business, you get 1,000. Pagka premium, you get 750. Pagka executive, you get 3,000. Pagka elite, you get 7,500. Okay. Meaning to say, elite yan. Pag elite ka, may nag-join sa left mo na standard, tapos merong nag-join uli sa right mo na standard, that will be matched by the system, you get 500. So, question, who will decide, okay, who will go on your left or on your right? Ikaw. That is part of your strategy on how to grow your network on your left and right. You will decide saan mo i-place si Juan, si Peter, si Maria, si Bea, etc., etc. But the point is, Pag may nag-register at nakita ng system, may nag-premium sa left and may nag-premium sa right, and elite rank ka or elite package ka, you get 750 pesos. As simple as that. Okay? The maximum payout based on this sales match bonus entry is for starter, maximum 5,000. Standard is 10,000. Business is 25,000. Premium is 25,000. Executive is 50,000. Ito po yung tinatawag nating safety net of the company, wherein they will not give you more than what the system allows. So sa executive, ang maximum na kukuha mo in that particular week is 50,000 lang. Kaya ibig sabihin, wag mo na siyang i-register, you're a newcomer, if you think you already reached 50,000 income. I-carry over mo na lang the following Monday yan so that that new arrival can be counted for next week para hindi maaksaya. Ang tawag doon flash out. Okay? Now, sales match override, ito yung explain ko kanina, every time your directs are starting to earn through the sales match bonus entry, you get 5%. For purposes of computation, for example, si Ana, nag-income ng 50,000 for the week sa sales match bonus niya, entry. So you get 5% of that. That means additional 2,500 sa wallet mo. O di kaya, pag hindi siya nag-50,000, nag-25,000 siya, 50%. You get 50% of 2,500, which is 1,250. Okay? So that applies, okay? Standard package applies on the first generation. Business and premium package applies from first up to second generation. And the executive and elite package holders applies from the first, second, third generation. Kasi for every generation, marami yan. First generation, so and so number of people. Sa second generation, ganun din. Sa third generation, ganun din. Okay? So this is very significant. Yung high-five bonus, as I explained, once the system identifies that you have successfully invited people na nag-elite, for example, 5 sila nag-elite as shown in the illustration, ang magiging income mo dito is 145,000 pesos in cash, and the company will also give you, okay, 2 bottles of Ultimas Templas, and then 2 bottles of spirulina. Pwede mong ibenta, pwede mong gamitin. Di ba? Ganda, di ba? Okay. So sa uni-level bonus, we're not talking about the left and right. We're talking now here either kung ano yung nasa left mo or kung ano yung nasa right mo performance-wise. Kasi uni-level, 1 leg, di ba? So, once you are getting bigger, pag yung network mo, network of resellers, network of users, network of builders, pag naglaro na yan, okay? And depending on the packages that are being encoded, okay, you will receive a certain amount, okay? For example, executive or elite ka. We're now looking at the table for executive at elite ka, which is found on extreme right. Every movement of Ultimas Templas, either on your left or right, meron kang 80 pesos. Pag may movement na berberin, when I say movement, binili ng consumer, register yon, or nag-repurchase ang reseller, register yon, or, nag-build yung builder at kumuha ng product, nag-register yon. So, eto po yung magiging income nyo individually. Okay, Ultimas Templas, you get 80 pesos. Berberin, you get 50 pesos. Berry Orac, you get 10. Nuclans, you get 15. Spirulina, you get 10. Carvacol, you get 11. Bloom Gluta, you get 12. Equisi, you get 10. So, mind you, ilang Ultimas Templas yan? Ilang Berberins yan? Ilang Berry Orac yan? Ilang Nuclans? Ilang Spirulina? Ilang Carvacol? Ilang Gluta? Ilang Equisi ang move? Daily, weekly, monthly, either on your left or right. Pag may nag-move dito at may nag-move dito, so you get times 2, di ba? Depending on the package na nag-move. So I hope you got that. Uni-level bonus is significant, and you will start to earn this because malaki na yung network mo eh. Nag-start ka from scratch, nag-start ka from zero. You traveled, you started sharing, you started presenting. May nag-reject sa'yo, okay lang. May nag-oo, whatever. But lahat ng business, nag-start from zero. So once you establish yung leverage business mo, nag-multiply ka, you are now duplicating yourselves. Right? Then, that means, darating ka sa point na yung uni-level bonus mo, quite consistent na yan. Araw-araw, may pumapasok ng present value. Ganda, di ba? So again, another table showing the uni-level bonus depending on your rank. Pag starter ka, at ultima STEM plus ang pinag-uusapan dito, ang income mo sa uni-level bonus is starting from level 1, level 2, up to level 3. Pag standard ka, from level 1 up to level 8. Pag business ka, from level 6, from level 1 up to level 10. Pag executive or elite ka, from level 1 up to level 12. So anong significance ito? So, bawat level may mga resellers dyan. Okay? It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, marami po yan. Sa level 2, marami din yan. Several people. Okay? In due time, madami yan. Okay? Kasi yung mga resellers mo sa level 1, they keep on moving, they keep on inviting, di ba? So, dumadami. In short, if you want to enjoy the uni-level bonus long-term, mag-executive or mag-elite ka because you will be enjoying the income from level 1 up to level 12. Ganda, di ba? Okay. Now, yung pinag-usapan natin kanina are all about entry packages. Ito naman, product ang pinag-usapan. So, kung merong entry package sales match bonus being read by the computer or the system, meron ding product sales match bonus. Ibig sabihin, product to product na to. Ultima STEM Plus to Ultima STEM Plus, Berberin to Berberin, individual products na. So, sa product sales bonus, okay, you are given a certain amount. Okay, let me find the table kung nandito. Eto. Okay. Alright. So, let's do this. So, product sales bonus, you are given, a certain amount whenever the system detects 250 points group accumulation on your left and on your right. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ka na ng 250 product points kasi every product may point system yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung products on your left and your products on your right, i-add mo yun across. Pag nag 250 points na siya, you get 500 pesos. Paulit po yan daily. Pero ang maximum income per week for safety net purposes, it is shown on the slide. On the right side, pag ang rank mo, ang package mo is starter 1 and 2, maximum is 5,000. Pag standard ka, 10,000 pesos. Business, 25,000 pesos. Premium, 25,000 pesos. Executive, 50,000 pesos. Elite is 200,000. Okay? Whether you're starter or elite, it doesn't matter as long as nag-i-income ka every week. The lowest income that you can achieve pag starter ka is 5,000. 5,000 a week is very significant. That is 20,000 a month. Okay? Kung happy ka dyan, sige lang. Alright? Pero if you want more, mag-upgrade ka ng package mo, mag-executive or mag-elite ka, para ang potential maximum income mo pagdating sa product sales match bonus is 50,000 or 200,000 pesos per day. Okay? Now, ano ba? Kanina, merong entry package high-five bonus. Ibig sabihin, the system will detect entries na nagfa-5, you get certain amount. Dito, product naman. Okay? If the system detects 5 products of all this, okay, you get certain amount. Ibig sabihin, either on your left or right, basta may na-detect na 5 berberin, you get 1,485. Pag may na-detect na 5 Ultimas Templas, you get 2,985. Pag may na-detect na 5 Berry Orac, you get 400 pesos. Pag may na-detect na nucleans na 5, 555. Spirulina, 420. Carbacol, 440. Bloom Gluta, 450. Equisi is 400. Ang ganda po. Okay? Now, pay grade solution, you will understand this better. Mararamdaman nyo to when you start really earning with NanoCell. Okay? Pag nagma-max out ka na every week, that means yung benefits mo tumataas. But no need to worry about this as a starter. You will learn to understand this over time pag malaki na ang iyong business volume. Okay? Now, you will be issued your own dashboard. If reseller ka ngayon, I think alam mo na to. Sa dashboard mo, meron tayong schedule. Dashboard is your back office mo yan. That's how you monitor your product registration and income. Ang schedule dito, you're given until every Monday of the week until 11:59 to register. Okay? All the products na gusto mong i-register. Kasi the following day, Tuesday, doon na lalabas yung mga bonus amounts mo. Alright? And then, from Tuesday up to Thursday, you're now able to manually transfer yung amount or yung commission mo na nasa Encash to your Gcash or to your bank. So, ibig sabihin, by Thursday, may pera ka. So, that is your weekly. And the same cycle goes for all your bonuses that are given every month. Okay? Kasi hindi lahat binibigay weekly. Okay? There are bonuses na binibigay every week. There are bonuses na binibigay at the end of the month. So, meron kang pera. Okay? All the time. Okay? I will teach you how to operate your dashboard. Okay? Once you are not yet a member, pag nag-member ka na as a reseller, naintindihan mo na yung dashboard, and then lalo ko pang explain sa inyo how it applies to our leverage program. Right? So, I'd like to thank you. High five tayo. Now, if you have any questions, contact me. Okay? Nandiyan po yung details ko. Kung balak nyo tumawag sa mobile ko, please text muna so I can identify you. My email is there. Nasa social media tayo. Okay? Like and subscribe with our YouTube, Instagram, Thread. Follow me at LinkedIn at Facebook para sa ganun, pag nagpo-post ako, nakukuha nyo na sa sagap nyo, di ba? So, in my screen, my contact numbers are there. So, feel free to call me. Now, again, let me just reiterate, no? Ang ating reseller or leverage business, there are two activities in this kind of livelihood. You have your retail, okay? Nagsishare ka ng product. You sell the product at 25% margin, okay? That means yung 25% na pupunta sa'yo diretso, okay? At the same time, you have the opportunity to register that sold product. Sa dashboard mo, you can assign it on your left and you can assign it on your right para sa ganon, you're starting to grow your leverage business. Alright? I'll teach you how to do it. But if you're enjoying with retail only, ayaw mo mag-leverage, ayaw mo mag-invite, ayaw mag-duplicate, ayaw mag-expand, it's okay with me. It's okay with us. Like mo yan eh. We'll never stop you. But if the time comes na gusto mo na mag-leverage business, gusto mo na mag-expand, kasi ang cost mo dito, time eh. Pagdating sa leverage, unahan, positioning. That means, you go to a certain area, nag-establish ka doon. Okay? And then you work with that group, nurture mo siya na parang halaman, until it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. And you go to another area. Okay? Ganun din. Okay? Follow the system and it grows bigger and bigger and bigger. So, kaya pala, maraming networkers sa Pilipinas ang naging successful. And I know some of them. Why? Because after several companies na nag-join sila, may mga failures eh. Failures is very important in any endeavor kasi pag wala kang failure, you cannot succeed. Diba? So finally, once you find the right company, okay, once you find the right culture, the right management, the right everything, embrace mo na yan. Nurture it, palakihin mo over time. Huwag ka nang palipat-lipat. Pag may dumating at nag-offer sa'yo na mas maganda, just disregard it kasi ang hirap mag-umpisa. Maraming direct sellers, networkers are failing because they jump from one company to the next company to the next company. Wala po mangyayari sa inyo. Because leverage business requires time. Leverage business requires effort. Okay? So, pag nagpalaki ng grupo mo and it's starting to grow, tapos iiwanan mo, what's the point? Okay? There are cases na may mga taong lumilipat to another company for valid reasons. Okay? But we will not tackle that. Separate, ano po yan? Separate topic. But, in the meantime, I hope nakuha nyo yung what is leverage business. Yung how to do it, don't worry about it because we will train you how to do it. We will train you how to leverage your business. We will train you how to become a successful leverage business builder or a network marketer. Okay? Gusto ko lang, ang importante is naintindihan yung concept. Sa lahat ng klaseng negosyo dito sa mundo, it takes effort and time. Okay? So, ang leverage business is with us. Okay? Nasa lahat ng industriya, nasa franchises, nasa branches, all over. Iba-ibang dressing lang yan, but one concept lang po yan. So in our case, nag-evolve na ang traditional direct selling into leverage business as well. So, guys, until the next time, feel free to contact me pag may questions kayo. God bless.